I've got VERNEE Thor Plus, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. At first you have to open the phone dialer, and now we will start with the first code, which is *pound, 06 pound, 06 pound. And as you can see, this code will show you what your IMEI numbers are, so both IMEI for both SIM cards are here. Tap on OK to go back, and now we will go to the second code, which is *pound, *pound, 759, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now we are in the back menu, so here you can check the brand code, unique device ID, activation events sent, and all the other very useful information. You can also check pings, events, client's ID here, so plenty of very useful information. You can also enable here OEM by tapping on O instead of off. So let's go to the third code, which is *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now we are in Google Play services, where you can check ping, connect, disconnect, events, and also the status. So this is how you can use your Google Play services. Let me go back. And now we'll go to the last code, very useful one, and it's *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. Let me enter it. Okay, so here we've got it. It's the calendar info. In this mode, in this feature, you can see all the events from your Google Calendar, so everything will be included here. You will not forget about any holidays or birthdays or any other important events. So just enter this code 225 to check all the events that are included in your calendar. So that would be all. These are all codes for your Super VERNEE Thor Plus. You can use them whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Enjoy them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.